Welcome to the Sky Gallery. Ladies, you are doing our Women in Art exhibition subtitled Uncovering Artistry and Contemporary Female Artists. So we have on exhibition 12 female Jamaican artists, and we have them at varying or at different levels of their career. They really wanted to represent artists at different ages and different levels of their career. So to start out, we have Patrice Hutchinson, who is a young emerging artist and talent. Her art style is digital art, which she prints on canvas, as you can see. So what she does is she's a photographer first, or based, and then she uses her photography to then compile these digital artworks to kind of muddy them up, create more kind of depth in her works. And like I say, you can always listen to Kian talk or over as you go. Next we have Nancy. Nancy Burke is her government name, but she loves the name. She goes like Nancy, and I like the Anansi. And as you can see, Nancy uses folk art in her work. So not the conventional painting. She even rips up orchard trees, as you can see. It's very Jamaican cultural kind of art because she uses her recognizable textures and patterns for us. Even here, which is my favorite, she has remade these cookshop signs that you see on the side of the road, and everything is fish, oxtail, but you know exactly what you're going to do, right? I like that. Oxtail. In the corner here we have Melissa Lynn, who is a young contemporary. And I'm praying to go as close as you can to these. Some people think they're digital art or digital renditions. They are actually colored pastel on paper. Oh, okay. They're original
colored pastel on paper.
And then we have Melissa Lynn here. She is actually the daughter of a well-acclaimed Jamaican intuitive artist.
So I'm only going to give you a snippet because you need to come down here to Sky Gallery and see for yourself, okay? So I'll let them get on with the tour here. But yeah, Onestop Cultural Tours Jamaica, we can take you down here. Phoenix Road, Kingston, the Sky Gallery. So there is so much to see here. There's books for sale, as you can see, and there's little things you can come here for. You can purchase artwork, and there is lots for you to see. It's a lovely little space. And I know they have events at night. It's raining a bit, so I'm not going to stop out too far. But if you have a look. Yeah? So you can come out here. They have events. I think it's Stars at Night event. And if you have a look. Okay, so it's Women in Art, uncovering the artistry of contemporary female artists. And here they are. There's their names. So please, come along, check it out. There is so much to see here. What is there not to love about Jamaica?